Hi beauties, and welcome to my channel. I am thejmichelle here with this Valentine's Day inspired look. Valentine's Day is all about finding the perfect balance between cute and doing too much. So I created this soft pink glam look. If you like to achieve this look, just keep watching.
So starting off with my eyes first, I've already primed both of my lids with concealer, and now I'm just setting them with a little bit of Revolution banana powder to keep things in place. And now going into my Huda Rose Gold palette, I'm going to go into the color Shy with a fluffy brush and just blend that into my crease and a little bit above it towards my brow bone. Since that's going to be my transition color, I need everything to be blended out seamlessly, so I'm making sure that everything looks nice. Now going into my Tarte Pro palette, I'm going to take the color Mod, and I'm just going to work that color into my corners in a V-shaped motion and blending it towards the top into my crease and into the other color that we used previously. Now taking that same fluffy brush, I'm going to blend those two colors together so that I don't have any harsh lines. Now I'm going into my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to take that pretty champagne color and work that directly onto my lid. Now I'm going to go into my Galaxy palette by Fenty Beauty. I love Rihanna. I absolutely love her, and this palette is amazing. I'm going to take that inner pink glitter color and put that on top of the color I previously added. It wasn't pink enough, so I decided to go on top of it with that, and I like how it came out. Now I'm just going back in and adding some intensity to the outer corners of my eyes. Now I'll be taking my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner and I will be doing a wing liner. I will be applying false lashes, and this is a personal preference. I just like how lashes look with a wing liner. And if you all would like a in-depth video on my everyday face routine as far as foundation and concealing goes, just let me know down in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to make that video for you all. So I went off camera and applied my lashes and mascara to my bottom lash line, as well as that same outer corner color that we used from our Tarte Pro palette. I added that to my bottom waterline as well, just to add a little bit of pop. And now I'm just lining my lips with a brown NYX lip pencil. Now I'm going to take my MAC lip gloss in the color Please Me and apply that to my lips. Setting my face with Urban Decay Oil Control, and we're done.
And that is all for this look. I hope you all enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed creating this for you all. And if you like it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.